To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, the government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel, and related products.
Ghanaians should give one Ghana cedi each when they buy a liter of fuel.
Bebese mebuso enti enconsider be pa na Ghana for your politicians ometima kanokre akyereye. Enti enconsider be pa na these are politicians who will tell us the real truth. Enconsider be ometima kanokre pa e de akyereye. Ode ma menu nsu ansa. Abusia ene Ghana Parliament ekaga krebla kadane tumamento between the majority and the minority. Ni nyina say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or the tax bia ba ye friend Dumsor Levy, D-Levy, Dumsor Levy. I say no or change ebeboa as of Dumsor. Na minority for are reacted to this at the floor of Parliament. Enya in this video let me go as much Dumsor Levy no crown. Edeba dia senior yebejew na yebejew ewo ede be ho metrum amwate na fa hwe minority for so a response I Penyah Block Media meswa say any mo obe like video na da roma obo subscribe button se be click bell notification for the latest update na be kire wa adwen de amame ewo comment section so baso no ahye video for so enya bi ahye. I am very much sure say in 2024 campaign time Mahama ejina platform so share Ghana for nyina bo say he want to run a tax-free economy, a tax-free government that will not impose taxes on his people. Abanya just emfa tax emeshene man for many. Or can they we share Ghana for in 2024 campaign time? Emma also take bold decision. Esoba E-Levy 1% E-Levy obey free. Betting tax 10% obey free. COVID-19 levy obey free. Nyame chade Mahama eba ye no. E-Levy 1% oye free ho no mo. Betting tax oye free, but COVID-19 tax there. Won't me you fund or say no. It has connection with IMF deal bi ni ade e je de oyi free wa enye. But it is not accepted. Oye E-Levy free ho no mo na no. Ene hunu say ye to electricity bill mo equal 14.07%. Ana water bill to call 4% say yabetumu 18% ema no kwa no amafo bi na no ege kan bi kakra say and there cause you robbing Peter to pay Paul what I say why 1% either be free ho just 1% now the 18% electricity bill and water bill but yes His Excellency yeah crocodile job taxes bi na wo ye there what I say enye adanko dada we na oye Ghana for what I say Dumsor aba I say Dumsor the left right center across the country there be I we do I do no say half of the light more, have the light say half of so edmo. Na Mahama epese or solve Dumsor no, and we ene Parliament House. Auto forcing ebetino o meka asem a o makoda adwene ho ehun say ye pese solve Dumsor ntie ye solve Dumsor no. Ye the tax for eba ya to the Dumsor tax, that is D-Levy.
To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, the government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel, and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. And this will mean that consumers will not have to pay extra for the price of petrol and diesel beginning today. Right, Honorable Speaker, our simulations suggest that there will be no increase in the export price of petrol and diesel in the next window beginning today if the levy is imposed. This is because of a strong Ghana cedi. Right, Honorable Speaker, the levy will serve as a dedicated source of funding to the power sector, and the proceeds will be earmarked for the procurement of essential fuel for power generation. The Speaker, this will ensure that Ghana enjoys stable electricity.
What is before us is the Energy Sector Levy Amendment Bill. And basically, it is saying that Ghanaians should give one Ghana cedi each when they buy a liter of fuel so that we can end Dumsor. That's all. One cedis. All of us should contribute 1 cedi. Just 1 cedi per so that we can end Dumsor. 1 cedi. Each of us, when we buy fuel, 1 liter.
The prices are going down.
1 cedi. And Mr. Speaker, it is not E-Levy.
I don't say that here. Auto petrol 1 liter beer. Yebeje 1 cedi. Auto petrol 1 liter beer. Yebeje 1 cedi. And it means o car utwe na so motor utwe no. Number of liters beer efano. You just calculate 1 cedi per each liter. 1 cedi. Edi say na emabemu no etie. What I say? Let's any a total 4 liters. 4 liters no nanka actual ebo nanka sa ebeye 49.84 petrol at 12.46. It now no D-Levy na account D-Levy no 4 liters with your 4 cedis. Let's say 5 liters 5 cedis. 6 liters in that order because for every 1 liter biano I buy no ebeje 1 cedi. Now when I want for just Levy. Any then we E-Levy if from say day. What is it? Because E-Levy, the government was just taking 1 cedi from 100 cedis. So yeah, transaction 100 because it was just 1%. If that transaction 100 cedis, the government was only taking 1 cedi. But here's the case, auto petrol 12 cedis. The government is taking 1 cedi. What does I say? E-Levy, the government was taking 1 cedi out of the transaction on 100 cedis. But here the case for transaction on 12 cedis, the government is taking 1 cedi. And then say, ye bubu 100 cedis, emma 12 cedis. 12 ever 100 muma kuma be 8. Yes. 12 cedis ever 100 cedis kuma be 8. Ah, coins be a say for 100 cedis no. Omu fu away no. Ye bet to 8 cedis, but E-Levy na a 1 cedi. Na media me any margin emfa. Na busa we no eba no. And at the floor of Parliament the man not force the money majority for enya adwene Mahama enko ensamra bi na we E-Levy incarnate and almost at the eba.
Today we are standing with the Ghanaian people. Adongo was talking about patriotism. Mr. Speaker, whilst Dr. Atto-Forson was speaking, I saw members on their side applauding Dr. Atto-Forson. Mr. Speaker, I am excited this particular debate is being beamed live for everybody to see. Every Ghanaian has seen that the majority is jubilating over an increment of taxes. Mr. Speaker, in this house, the key people who argued, the key people who argued in this house, Dr. Atto-Forson, my very good brother John Jinapo, and Mr. Adongo, the same people who were speaking against taxes are today the same people laying papers, introducing statements, and making arguments for new taxes. Mr. Speaker, let me put the issues in perspective. In 2024, E-Levy alone, E-Levy, which they opposed vehemently, raked in close to about 2 billion Ghana cedis, Mr. Speaker. In 2024, 2 billion. Today, Dr. Atto-Forson presented to us a fiscal impact analysis. And Mr. Speaker, Dr. Atto-Forson intends to rake in 5.7 billion Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, last year, 5.3 billion liters of fuel was sold. We anticipate that there will be an increment of about 20%, which will lead us to about 8.5 billion. Mr. Speaker, they intend to impose 1 Ghana cedis on each liter. On each liter. That is what we are being told in this house. Mr. Speaker, they intend to impose 1 cedis on each liter. On each liter. A gallon is about 4 cedis 50 pesos. Mr. Speaker, your guess is as good as mine. Mr. Speaker, let me just put this thing in perspective. Just this year, during the budget, Dr. Atuforsen presented this energy sector levy. Mr. Speaker, petrol was selling at 95 pesos. Per this new bill, Mr. Speaker, there's going to be an increment of 105%. Diesel is going to go up by 103%. Naphtha is going to go up by 105%. Mr. Speaker, marine fuel is going to go up by 400%. Mr. Speaker, the shocking part is that marine gas. Sit down. Nothing can stop me from talking about the good news. I am wondering how President will explain this to his constituents. When they buy 1 gallon of fuel to go to the farm, I am wondering how President will explain to his constituents. Mr. Speaker, just last month, PURC increased electricity by 14.7%. Water was increased by 4.02%. Mr. Speaker, here we are again. Less than 1 month, they are back here to increase the taxes again. Mr. Speaker, is that what they promised the people of Ghana? Is that what they promised the people of Ghana? Is this the research they are talking about? Is this the research His Excellency John Mahama promised the people of Ghana? You are taking off E-Levy. Now you are bringing D-Levy, Dumsor Levy, E-Levy Pro Max. E-Levy Pro Max. That is what you are introducing to the House. But Mr. Speaker, let me say again that we, the minority, the mighty minority, we stand with the Ghanaian people, and we are going to reject this bill in all its form. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Comments. When you are there seeing at the floor of Parliament, what is your view on that? How you Penyah Brock Media?